Mm. Welcome to our Itaniji. Itaniji is to awaken our consciousness and emancipate us to the actualization of self-determination. Today's Itaniji is all about self-determination. The word self-determination has for quite some time now been generating all kinds of misinterpretation. There is absolutely nothing wrong in self-determination because as individuals we do it every day. As a society we do it all the time. Self-determination could be said to be the same thing as deciding. So, to have a to clear all misconception and to have a better understanding of self-determination. So, I, Atalia Abiamo, want us to look at it from 2 or 3 angles or perspectives. Number 1, self-determination on the individual level is an important concept that refers to each person's ability to make choices. Where we make choices about stuff concerning us, that is us self-determining. Where you make decisions, where you make choices regarding anything about you, pertaining to you, that is you self-determining. It's the concept that refers to each person's ability to make choices and manage their own life. Your ability to make choices and manage your own life, this is self-determination on an individual level. This ability plays an important role in our psychological health and well-being. Self-determination allows people to feel that they have control over their lives and choices. Thomas, èmi ni mo láyé mi, tó bá ṣe wù mí ni mo ṣe máa lò ó, tó bá ṣe wù mí ni mo ṣe máa ṣe. That is you self-determining. So self-determination is not a biggie. Nǹkan tá à ń ṣe lójoojúmọ́ ni. Self-determination ni nǹkan tá a fẹ́, tá a dẹ̀ work towards. That is what self-determination is all about. Kò sí bàbàrà kankan níbẹ̀. Now from the next perspective is the political ideology of the self-determination that is causing the present bone of contention, that is bringing about so much misinterpretation. So, political self-determination is the right of a people to self-determination. The right of the people to self-determination is a cardinal principle in modern international law, binding as such on the United Nations as authoritative interpretation of the Charter's norms. Oh my God, Okay. So in breaking it down, self-determination, talking about it in the context of, in the political context now, because it's the political context of self-determination that is causing the uncalled for drama. That is the process. Self-determination politically now is the process by which a group of people, usually possessing a certain degree of national consciousness, Self-determination in the political context is àwọn ìpéjọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ pé àṣà, èdè, environment, their geographical location ó so wọ́n pọ̀, èdè wọn ó yíra wọn, àṣà àti ìṣe wọn ó yíra wọn, ìròrí wọn wọ́n ní ìbájọṣepọ̀. Oh my goodness, how can I explain this? Wọ́n ní àjọṣe tó gúnrégé tó yọrantí láàrin ara wọn tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ tí wọ́n fi wá ní àwa o a máa dá dúró báyìí la ṣe máa àpẹẹrẹ tó fi lélẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá nígbà ayé àwọn baba ńlá wa tó jẹ́ pé àṣà wọn, èdè wọn, oúnjẹ wọn, ìṣesí wọn, ìhùwàsí wọn, ẹ̀sìn wọn ó papọ̀ tí wọ́n wá kóra wọn pọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹgbẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ́lẹ́gbẹ́ lọ́gbàlọ́gbà gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn tó lómìnira ara wọn tí gbogbo wọn wá pẹnupọ̀ pé òkè o àwa o Yorùbá làwa o tí wọ́n sì ń ṣèjọba ara wọn fàkàtì kò ní ṣì. That is what self-determination is all about. Tó jẹ́ pé èdè wọn wọ́n ní nǹkan kan tó so wọ́n pọ̀. There's a common national unifying factor, consciousness. That is what it is all about. Tí ò ní ṣì, tí ò ní àríyànjiyàn bíi tí wù kó mọ̀. Bíi tí wù kó mọ̀. Self-determination kò ju bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. Now, self-determination has principles. Three of which I'm going to talk about. Three principles of self-determination. Self-determination is it connotes freedom. People can exercise the same rights as all citizens. They can exercise self-determination. Gives people the freedom to exercise the same rights as citizens. It gives support as they can autonomously, fúnra wọn, láyé ara wọn, determine how to organize their resources láti ṣe àmúlò ohun ọrọ̀ ajé wọn láì ní pé alàgàtà àbí ará àtakọ wọn bá wọn dá sí. Knowledge is knowledge in terms of what has and hasn't worked elsewhere, which helps to avoid mistakes or going the wrong way. But a part of the features of self-determination is also financial responsibility and stable policies. These are what self-determination is all about, and all these things are lacking in our present day Nigeria. It is lacking because the English out of the blues just join all of us together. It's like cooking concoction, just putting everything together. They didn't consider our language, they didn't consider our culture, they didn't consider our geographical boundaries. Because naturally, if you look at Nigeria, Ọlọ́run ti pín lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀, káwọn èyìnbó tó dé, kó tó wá mismatch wa, putting spare pegs around holes. So self-determination, nǹkan tó wà all about nìyẹn, tí kò sì sí tàbí ṣùgbọ́n kankan. Àwọn Yíbò wọn kó jọ, àwọn Haúsá wọn kó jọ, àwọn Yorùbá a kó jọ, lẹ́gbẹ́lẹ́gbẹ́ lọ́gbàlọ́gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tóníkálukú dẹ̀dá wà. That is what self-determination is all about. It gives you freedom. You can exercise your rights as every other citizen. Torí pé kí ni ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè kankan náà jọ ni wá. It gives support. Bó bá ṣe wù wá la ṣe lè ṣe ọrọ̀ ajé wa àti okòwò wa fún ìgbéga, fún ìtẹ̀síwájú àti ìdàgbàsókè orílẹ̀-èdè wa. Nǹkan tí self-determination tó wà hold up. Self-determination is self-preservation. Self-preservation láti dáàbò bo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wa tí ìran wa fi máa lọ láti ìran kan sí ìran kan sí ìran kan sí ìran kan tó jẹ́ pé àwọn aṣíwájú àwọn baba ńlá wa tí wọn bá preserve ẹ̀ ní irú àwa tí wọ́n wá bí tá a wá wà lẹ́nu àárín sí. So self-determination is self-preservation, is staying alive, is handing over that is us handing over the torch to the next generation. That is what self-determination is all about. Torí pé lélẹ̀ ìta wà yìí, àwọn kan wọ́n ti kú o. Àwọn kan sì ń kú lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn kan sì tún máa kú. Àwọn tá a kù lákù. Àwọn tó máa kù ló máa kù. Kí self-determination tá a wá ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí fún orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá. Kí àwọn tó máa kù má wàá kú sínú ìmúnisìn oko ẹrú. Kí wọ́n tó kú tán ní ìjà tá à ń jà o. Ìjà ìjàngbara láti dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí orílẹ̀-èdè tiwantiwa. Olókùwàkù báyìí o. So ó ṣe pàtàkì self-determination kó ní kálukú pinnu pé wọ́n sọ wípé ẹnu ẹni lèèyàn fi ń kọ méjì ẹ̀. Ẹ̀tọ́ yín ni, ẹ̀tọ́ mi ni, ẹ̀tọ́ gbogbo wa ni. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi dá pé àwọn kan náà jọ ń ṣe àwọn kan náà. No. Ó kàn yín, ó kàn mí, ó jọ kan gbogbo wa ni. Mẹ̀kúnnù ó jọ kan nílé ló kàn àlejò ló kàn bá ló kàn jòyè. Torí pé how am I gonna say this? Oh my God. Torí pé ara ohun tí mú ni jẹ́ èèyàn ni. Self-determination is as a human being fulfills 3 basic needs. Self-determination fulfills competence. It fulfills autonomy and relatedness. I don't know. I'm gonna break that competence. Oh my God, how am I gonna break this down? All I know is self-determination fulfills 3 basic human needs, common needs. Human beings, only self-determination, only fulfill. In terms of competence could be the need, can be said to be the need to be effective in dealing with the environment, in dealing with situations and circumstances. Autonomy is the need to control the course of your life, and relatedness is the need to have close, affectionate relationships with others at the lowest, being cordiality, be good neighbors, friendly neighbors, unlike the hostile situation that we are experiencing now, when people are encroaching, when our supposed neighbors are lording it over us, encroaching on our private space. So mo lérò pé mo ti yànnàná níwọ̀nba what can I say na níwọ̀nba ọgbọ́n orí èmi àtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ mo ti ṣàlàyé self-determination nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ wa ni we do it every day but torí pé àpè lórúkọ tó ń jẹ́ torí pé àforúkọ ẹ̀ sí àbí torí pé bóyá wọ́n ń pè lédè gírámà tó tóbi ó jẹ́ ká máa wọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan tó kàn mí ó kàn yín ó kàn yín ó kàn mí ó kàn gbogbo wa báwo lọ̀bọ ṣe ṣorí tí náà kí ò ṣe is what we do ṣé mo máa jẹ yán ni àbí mo máa jẹ̀bà ẹ ti ṣe self determination láàrin yẹn tẹ́bọ́ wá sọ pé ok iyán ni máa jẹ iyán lẹ dìbò fún ṣé máa kàwé àbí mi ò ní kàwé ṣé máa láya ṣé máa lọ́kọ ṣé máa bímọ ṣé máa ṣiṣẹ́ ṣé self determination ni nǹkan tá à ń ṣe nìyẹn lójoojúmọ́ bọ́ torí pé àforúkọ ẹ̀sìn kò jẹ́ ká mọ̀ kò sí jújú kankan nídìí kìíní so self determination ẹ̀tọ́ yìí ni ẹ̀tọ́ mi ni ẹ̀tọ́ gbogbo wa ni tí kò sì yẹ ká máa fi dùnra wa tàbí ká gbẹnikẹ́ni láàyè láti wá máa fi dùn wá torí pé a lè kọ́ a lè sọ a dẹ̀ lè ṣe so tó wá fi wá bí Yorùbá nation tí tẹbí tará tonílé tàlejò tarúgbó tomidán tí wọ́n tá à ń polongo ẹ má dáadáa wa o ẹ bá wa dá sí o torí ó kàn yín o ó kàn yín ó kàn wá o ó jọ kàn gbogbo wa ni o so self-determination is self-preservation tí wọ́n fi ní pa wá tán tí wọ́n fi ní pààrọ̀ wa tí wọ́n fi ní porírun wa táwa náà máa fi tí wọn wá máa fi lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ṣe báyìí o ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ṣe so that is self-determination explained so yeah until I come your way again Yoruba nation we move.